Hey guys, in today's video we're going to talk about your competition, why you should keep a look on them, and why it can be an edge and why it can be a problem if you don't keep watching on them. How this can impact you and even get you banned if you don't look on them. So that's what we're going to see on this video. I will also give you some tips and tricks to keep track on who they are and making sure how to find them and always be looking around, okay? So I'm Moose from Scaling. I helped thousands of eCom scale without blocks, and today we're going to talk about the competition and the spies. So the thing is, in a market there is always the same audience for the same people, for the same advertisers, right? So if you check on the competitor's account and you see a very big difference, that shows what? That shows that something is wrong on your ads, that there is something you didn't understand on the market, something that you didn't understand about your avatar, something that you're doing wrong. So you want to fix it and then get back to the work. There is just one thing that you cannot know about your competitor, is their real backend. But anything related to Meta or Shopify, you could actually see with the libraries and all the data available out there with some spy tools. So you want to make sure that there is not such a huge difference. Either you're leading and then it's good, either you're not leading and you need to be creative and see which concepts you can bring to the market to actually lead the market and get more shares. So you could check on your competitors by checking on your Trustpilot who are the other related shops, or you can know some competitors. I see so many times people thinking that they know all their competitors. They think they have 2, 3, 4, 5 people at maximum, when actually you do a research from a third party, you see that there is 20 people doing the same stuff at a successful path, like they're doing it profitably. So you don't want to be the guy at the back, you want to be the top nuts, the leaders that are making the most amount of money, right? So if you say that you don't have competitors, you're probably lying to yourself, because either they're coming, either you just didn't see it yet. So if you're blind, it's even worse. So be careful about that. So that's very important, so you can monitor what's going on. So having competition can be a gold mine, because it will show you exactly what's going on their accounts, what's working for them, what results they have, what hooks they have, and maybe there is something wrong on their strategy. Maybe they're not testing enough on a specific angle. Maybe you spotted some things that you can improve and do better than them. And it can be a gold mine to stay on top of the market and always improving so you can make it work. So that's key for your success. So if you want us to help you actually see the real metrics of what's happening on the competition side, just let us know and we will get that for you. So number one, understanding what's going on in terms of the cost, making sure that you're at the same cost, you're not paying like double the price. If it's the case, it means that you have a flag on your account. Second, making sure that you know what's going on in terms of performance so you can leverage and do better. So the number 3 is to differentiate. So you can spy your competition not only to do the same like them, but also to see how you can do things differently, using a different angle and actually going all in on something else. Because the more a market is used to a product, the more that market they get sophisticated. And if you can come and be the first one innovating on that specific issue that no one did yet, that will be a big edge that will help you get better results also. So that's number 3. And then number 4, it's for DMCA reasons. I told you earlier that if you don't spy on your competition, you can get banned. So what I meant by that? So what I meant is, if you check on them continuously, you can make sure that they're not using the same ads like you are. And then if it's the case, you can attack quickly. So I have many other videos on the topic if you want to check them regarding DMCA. But you want to be sure that you are on control and you're ready to defend your business if it's the case, especially if you act quick. They will not understand, like, hey, how come? He knows already, okay, I need to stop this, and you can put pressure on them. So that's very important to monitor the competition for that, to make sure that they're not using your ads and trying to scale, leveraging what you already made. So that's very important. I hope you guys could get some ideas about why you should watch on your competition, and I hope this is valuable for you. Also, quick mention to tools like that help you track continuously what are doing your competition. There's 2 tools I would like to mention. There is Winning Hunter. You can put a website of a competitor and have a continuous tracking on them. And we have also TrendTrack that can help you track continuously on the shop, seeing what new ads they're pushing, new angles, what ads works the best for them, etc. So that's also very valuable. So you can keep a trace on them. And then when you see that there is like a big improvement, something that is going off the radar, then you can decide to step forward, check on what they're doing on their account, spy on them, and use those knowledge at your advantage. Because from experience, what I saw is there is always a difference from what you can see from tracking websites, like I mentioned before, such as Winning, Hunter, or TrendTrack, and what happens in reality on the ad account. So if you know that the competitor is scaling, so you need to have a look so you can make sure what's really happening in terms of traffic and in terms of sales. So guys, I hope that is valuable for you. I catch you up on the next videos, and it was most formal in the scaling. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go.